Hey lovies, welcome to my channel. I'm Merveille and today I'll be doing an honest review on the Lalu Raw Beauty skincare range. Lalu is basically a natural beauty brand that is all plant-based and animal cruelty free. These products are made from vegan superfoods packed with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants to regenerate the skin. If you guys want more information on these products, please check out Lalu Raw Beauty on Instagram. And yeah, let's just get right to the video. I really love the beautiful shades they come in, and the packaging looks simple, clean, yet elegant. So I tried the matcha clarifying clay mask, the kale and green tea super face cleanser, and the O2 charcoal bubble mask. I tried it out for about 5 days and this is how it went. I always love listening to podcasts when doing my nighttime skincare routine, and over here I think I was listening to the SK2 timeline documentary, something like that, but you guys should check it out. It was awesome. I normally use a makeup remover even though I don't have makeup on, but it just helps to remove dust particles that my face accumulates throughout the day. I then just wet my face with water. Use the Lalu cleanser, which is made of green tea and kale. And guys, just a little trick: when cleansing your face, make sure that you do it for about a minute or two. That way it really gets rid of all impurities, and also make it therapeutic too. Enhance that blood circulation by thoroughly massaging your face. After toning my face, I will then use the clay mask. A little goes a long way. I must say, this clay mask is my favorite, and I was just surprised by how soft it was, and it didn't feel drying nor cracked on my skin. Just a little reminder, make sure you give your neck the same TLC as your face. Usually I pamper my face while in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I'll just show you guys what I do to my face. After using the mask, my skin felt so soft, purified, and firmer. Throughout these 5 days, I had noticed an improvement on the tone and texture of my skin. This mask is my favorite. It doesn't strip your skin from its natural oils. I have dry skin, so I was a bit skeptical about using it, but now I do not regret it one bit. Okay, sorry about the lighting on this clip. I started using the O2 bubble mask about a week later, and this mask is a win-win for those days that you want to take time out to deep cleanse your face and also have fun. As soon as I put the mask on my face, it started to oxidize on my skin, get into those pores and created these bubbles that felt like a gentle exfoliation without you even doing anything. So this is it regarding the review. I'll definitely recommend trying out these skincare products, not because it's owned by a young vibrant woman of color, but because I really love it and I know you guys would too. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about vegan, superfood, animal cruelty skincare product. Is it good for the skin, or would you rather stick to the chemical products? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.